Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a Nykaa haul. So Nykaa recently had their Pink Friday sale and I got some of the products from there, though I didn't really bought a lot of makeup products, just the things that I really needed, which was the necessity, and it has some skincare. So let's jump right in. So the first product that I got is a body lotion. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Calming Lavender Body Lotion. It smells amazing. I love a body lotion that smells good. And this retailed for $375 and I got it for $244. This is the 400 ml variant. So the first thing I bought was this. Moving on to the next thing. Next skincare product that I bought is the Nykaa Serial Kisser Lip Balm in the shade Raspberry. I haven't used it yet, but I've read reviews and it's good. It says enriched with jojoba oil, almond oil and vitamin E. Retailed for $149 but I got it for $119 in the Pink Friday sale. So this is the second product that I got. Next product that I got is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bio Neem Purifying Face Wash. It says it prevents pimples and it is for all skin types. Biotique is a brand that I love. I have used their toners, the Bio Cucumber one, and they are great. I love Biotique, like I love this brand. This retailed for $240 but I got it for $156. I told you the deals on the Pink Friday sale were amazing. The next skincare product that I bought is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+. This is it. I needed a good sunscreen, like the one which doesn't give a white cast, or the one which is very light on your skin and not heavy and oily or greasy, and this is it. It also is SPF 50, so it is very good. Also dermatologist tested. This retailed for 200 rupees but I got it for 150. I bought the small one first because I wanted to try it out, and if I like this I'll definitely buy a bigger one. The next product that I got is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer. It is so good. I cannot tell you. It is like the best for oily skin, for dry skin. It is super hydrating. It is a gel like formula. It is a gel based formula, and it is super hydrating. It keeps your skin hydrated. It is not drying on your skin. It is not greasy on your skin. I love this. I always go for this, and the discount on this was crazy. This retails for 300 rupees. I got it for 190 rupees, so like pretty amazing deal. Okay, so I think we are done with the skincare products. There's one grooming product that I bought. I needed tweezers, so I bought the Vega basic tweezer. This retailed for 80 rupees but I got it for 64. I haven't used them yet, but they are normal basic tweezers, so they'll be good. Now moving on to the few makeup products that I bought. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Compact Powder with SPF 28 and up to 12-hour oil control in the shade 109 Light Ivory. This is how the box looks. I have used this compact earlier, so it's quite good. This is how the packaging is. It has a little mirror, and yeah, that's the normal basic compact Maybelline Fit Me. It retailed for 200 rupees but I got it for 149. The next two products are from Bronson. So I got the Bronson Professional eyelashes falsies in pack M72 in the model M72. This is how they look. And I also got the Bronson eyelash adhesive. It is waterproof and it is in the shade clear. This retailed for 175. There was no discount on this one. and the eyelash glue retailed for 200 and I got it for 140. The next product that I have is the Blue Heaven makeup fixer. I have not used this, I'm not sure about this, but I bought it anyway. It's a purple color bottle. Yeah, okay, I do not like the smell of this. I don't know. I think it is good. Like, I don't know if it does the work. It sprayed on quite nice. It was fine. Like, it is okay. I can make do with this. It retailed for 300 and I got it for 225. Let's see. The last two products that I got. The first one is the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade 05. I used it in my last video. It is amazing. I'm wearing it right now. You do not need anything, just apply the eyeshadow. I'll swatch it for you. This is how the shade looks. It's a metallic shade and I love the liquid eyeshadow. I love it. This retailed for 200 rupees. I got it for 189. They have many shades in this, but I wanted the champagne one, but it was out of stock, so I got this. It is 05 Rose Gold Retro. And the last product that we have is the Nykaa Matte to Last mini lipstick in the shade Bombay. It is a mini size because I was not sure about the shade. I mean, I've heard that it is quite good, but then I didn't want to buy the big one because what if I didn't like the shade. I got the mini one, and let me tell you, this is the best nude shade out there. I love this shade. I'm wearing it right now and I am definitely going to buy the bigger size. I'll just swatch it for you. It is the perfect combination of brown and pink nude and it looks stunning. It is amazing. So I would highly recommend this shade. It's Bombay and Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. Go for the bigger one. I've tried it. I'm recommending it. I'm wearing it right now. This is the most stunning shade. So yeah, that was it. That was all I got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and I hope you guys liked it. I hope some of it was informative. So yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Comment below which product you would like to use, which products you will buy. I'll link everything in the description so that you can buy it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.